let me share my screen first, and we will see the neurobics as we see daily. Okay, let me start presenting my screen. So yes, I think you can see my screen. Okay, we will start as always. We will start with general exercises now. So we will start now. So we have seen most of those images. We have seen this. Okay, okay. See, this is one of the best exercise for your brain. Chalo, what is on the screen? Just try to tell me. Just type in the chat box or there. Unmute yourself and tell me what is on the chart. What is on the screen. So you can see my screen, right? Yes, Pragna, you can tell Amma. Tell me.
Sir, can I?
Yes, Chakra. Okay, okay. Chakra, tell me.
Sir, dreams is not what you see in sleep. Dreams is something that does not let you sleep.
Yes, you are right. Yes, Shri, tell me, Amma. Did you get it?
Yes, sir. Dreams is not what you see in sleep. Dream is something that does not let you sleep.
Shabash, very good, very good. So basically, what is it? What is it? So this is a mirror image, mirror image. So if you write some text on, yes, Sharanya has given it. Very good, Sharanya. So if you write some text on your book or any slate, and if you put in front of the mirror, you will get the image of it. So now, if you, it's good for you to practice this type of reading. That is very good. So Chalo, tell me what is the first one? What is the first one that you can see on the screen? What is the first image? Just type in the chat box. The first letter. Pomegranate. Vijay, very good. Shishri, very good. Sri Anugnya, very good. So next one, what is the second one?
Peacock.
Peacock. Vijay, very good. Shash. Vijay Lakshmi, very good. Sri Anugnya, very good. Chalo, what is third one?
River.
River, very good. What is the fourth one?
Rocket.
Anugnya, very good.
Rocket.
Sharanya, very good. Tell me the fourth one now. Yes, Vijay, very good. Anugnya, very good. Chalo, tell me the last one.
Baby.
Fifth one. Baby, very good. Yes, baby. Last one is baby. Very good, very good. So similarly, we have some more. You just, I will send you the screenshot of it and you can see that later. Chalo, we will start our session now. We will start our session. Let's hope all our friends have arrived. Okay, they are yet to come. Okay, then no problem. Okay, we will see then some more. What is the first one? What is the first one? Then we will do the next part also. Next part also. What is the
Education.
Education. Very good, Vijay. Very good. What is the second one? What is the second one?
Soldier.
Soldier. Yes, soldier. Very good. Very good. What is the third one? Is chocolate. Very good.
Fourth one
Yes.
is president.
Very good. In the same way, tell me the last one. Yes, body. So if you can tell me what are the images that you can see in this pillar, just type in the chat box what are the images that you can see in this pillar. So what are those images you can see on the screen? Tell me. There is a pillar, yes, and if you can see anything other than that.
Yes, sir.
Yes, two man, very good. Yashashri is seeing table. Where is the table? Okay, you saying this as a table. Okay, pillar, and you can see two faces. Now see here, one and two. See, it is one, and this is two. Yes, two man, two faces. Anugnya, very good. Yes, Sharanya, very good. Okay, we will have some more. So now tell me what is this? What is this image? Just try it, and we will start our session after this part. Just try this. Yes, you are right. Lift. Lift is right. So yes, did everyone got it? So instead of seeing the black part, just see the white part over here. See the white part over here. See, this is L. Next one is I. The third one is F. And fourth one is T. T. Yes or no? Yes. So now we will start our session now. Okay. Chalo. Did everyone get this lift image right? Okay. Most of our friends have also joined. So chalo, we will start our session now. So yesterday what we have seen the multiplication part for single digit. How to do multiplication part for single digit. So we will see the rest of the multiplication part today. So in multiplication part there is one best or beautiful method. This is one of the, it is also a special case. So what is it? It is base method. So just type base method in the chat box so that you don't forget this name again. Base method. Yes, Chakradhar, very good. Vijay, very good. Yes, where are the other? Yes, Shai Shri, very good. Vijay Lakshmi, very good. Tejasvi, very good. Gopi Krishna, very good. Sharanya, very good. Priyanka, very good. Sri Anugnya, very good. Okay. Now we will start. So base method in the sense we will take any nearest power of the 10. We will take any nearest power of the 10. For example, what we have done here. See here in the first case we have taken the base as 100. We have taken the base as 100. First, suppose we have any example in this case. See, in this image you can see this example, that is 95 into 92. 95 into 92. So in 95 into 92, how you should do that? First what you need to do is you need to write 95 is how much different, how much far from 100. So tell me, how far is 95 from 100?
5, sir.
Chat box says Chakradhar, very good. Vijay, very good. Yashashri, very good. Tejasvi, Sharanya, very good. 5. So 95 is 5 less than 100. So minus 5. So you put minus 5 over here. Yes or no? Yes, very good. Sai Sri, very good. So similarly, how far is 92 from 100? How far is 92 from 100? Minus 8. Shabash, you got it. Sri Anugnya, very good. Sharanya, very good. Tejasvi, very good. Yes, minus 8. Very good. So now, after writing this, next step is very simple. What you need to do now? You need to multiply this both. That is minus 5 into minus 8. What is minus into minus? You know this general algebraic expressions now. See, minus into minus is plus. Yes, plus. So minus 5 into minus 8 gives you plus 40. Minus 5 into minus 8 gives you plus 40. So write it as 40 and have a separation over here. Next, what you need to do now, just listen carefully. You can take a cross subtraction, or what is itself. See, just see the next part. See, if we divide in two parts here, you need to take the next number of this. That is, like if you have 95 over here, you need to take this cross number, that is 8, and you need to subtract. So since it is minus 8, you need to subtract 95 with 8. What is 95 minus 8? What is 95 minus 8? 87. You can do this way, or you can do this way also. See, 92 minus 5. What is 92 minus 5? It is also 87. Yes, Laliteshwar, not 77. See, it's 87. Tejasvi, yes. Priyanka, very good. You are giving right now. So Anugnya, very good. Laliteshwar, now you gave it right. See, 92 minus 5. 92 minus 5 is 87. So after that, you will write the whole part, that is 87, a separation with a 40. 87 with a separation and a 40. Since see, you just remember it this way, that would be very clear for you. Since for the base 100, how many zeros you have? 2 zeros. So each set should have two numbers in it. Two numbers in it.
Okay, sir.
Or since the base is 100, you will have two numbers in it. If you have more than that, you will do the carry forward to the left. So since we don't have any numbers since we don't have more than two numbers, so we will write it as it is, that your final answer will be 8740. Yes, Vijay, very good. Now if you got it, type yes in the chat. If you have any doubt, just raise your hand. I will tell one more question of this model. Very good. Most of you have got it. Yes, I'm coming to the persons who have raised your hand. Okay, Ram, what is your doubt, Amma? You are coming late. You are late, na? Should I tell it again?
Sir, once explain, sir.
Okay, no problem. I will tell it again. No problem. I will repeat it.
Sir, can we
Yes, yes. Okay, I will repeat it.
Sir,
We will go to one more problem. Who raised the hand? Who is speaking? Yashashri, tell me, Amma, what is your doubt?
Sir, I didn't understand over here, sir. Why did we add 87? Why did we combine and why we have wrote the answer like that? I didn't understand that.
You didn't understand the method. Actually, if I go to proof now, that would create a big disturbance now. That's why I'm not going with that proofs part. So we are doing general multiplication with a simple way. See, I will tell you. See, I will repeat this and I will come to your doubts. Okay. See, no problem. I will tell you one more question. See here. See 92 and 94. 92 and 94. See, for these two numbers, which is the nearest base? Which is the nearest number that we has a number as a whole? 100. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. So what we will do? We will see first step, that is nothing. You will see 92. How far is 92 from 100? 100 minus 92. It is less than. So it is 8. Yes or no? 8. Yes. So you put minus 8 because 92 is less than 100. So you put minus 8. That is 92 need 8 more numbers or 8 more digits. 8 digits go to 100. So similarly, tell me for 94. 94 what you will have? For 94 to become 100, you need to have 6 more digits. That is 94 is 6 less to become 100. Yes, minus 6 you should put here. Okay, this step you understood now. This is the first step that you need to do. The second step is you need to multiply these two numbers, that is 8 into 6. What is 8 into 6? 8 6 are 48. 8 6 are 48. Okay, now you will have a separation, and next you can do here, what you need to do is you need to subtract 92 from minus 6, or this way also 94 from 8. Both will give you the same answer. What is 92 minus 6? 86. 86. Very good. So your answer is 86. So see, since our base is 100, you need to have at least 2 digits in the each set. So since we have 2 digits in the each set, your final answer will be 8648. 8648. So if you understood, just type S in the chat box, or else just raise your hand. I will come to you and I will tell one more question. No problem. We will do one more question. Okay, let me come.
this method only for 100 nearest.
No. We will see that part. We will take the base. So this is purely on the numbers to the power of tens. So if you have a base nearer to the number for the power of 10, then you can use this method. I will show you some more examples for that. See, now this part you understood. Now if you have any part in this multiplication, you can ask. I will come to the persons you have doubt. Srikanth, tell me, Amma, what is your doubt? Srikanth.
Number is 54 into 46. Then can we take the base as 50?
Arey yaar, you are not asking your doubt, you are asking me question in reverse. we will go to there, yaar. I said, this is a special case. So, if you have base nearer to any power of tens, for that you will use this. So if you have another bases, they will have a sub base concept, or we have a general general multiplication method. We will go there. Here Arey yaar, who is that? Anant. What is this yaar? So here we will have the base as 100. That is, it is the base to the power of 10. So did you get this part? This part you got now. If you have this part doubt, tell me. I will tell this one again, and we will go to that one. 46 into 54 or something you have asked. Now we will go to that part also. No problem. Srikanth, did you get this one? Srikanth, are you there? Okay. Moreover, who raised your hands? I think I can't find anyone raising their hand. Okay. If you have any doubt, raise your hand in this concept, Zarina. Okay, Zarina, tell me, Amma, what is your doubt? Zarina, if you can't speak, just put your doubt in the chat. I can see there also. Shahida has given all the answers. Very good. Okay, I will explain it again. I think that would be your doubt. See, no problem. We will see the next question. So let me tell you which question I should tell. Okay, we will take the third question. See, that is 9. So no, this is also easy. We will take this one. We will take this one. See, 94 into 81. 9. Zarina, you just on your mic, no? Okay, I will tell you this once more and just see if you have any doubt, and we will go there. So this multiplication is purely for the numbers nearer to 100. Okay, for general multiplication, we will go to that part little later, but this multiplication is only for the numbers nearer to 100. Okay. See now, we will see this question now. So what is 94 into 89? 89, yes. 94 and 89. That's what you will do. How far is 94 from 100? 6. Yes or no? 6. So 94 needs 6 digits to become 100. 94 needs 6 to become 100. So it is 6 lakh of 100. So you will have minus 6. Similarly, for 89 to become 100, it is 11 lakh. So it needs 11 to become 100. Yes or no? Shahida, you are right. Very good. Sharanya, I have already given answer. Very good, Amma. See, that is minus 11. Minus 11. So next what you need to do? Now, your next step is, you can do any either way. You can solve it from left to right also. Your next step is, first separate this. That is 94 minus 11, or you can either do 89 minus 6. What is 89 minus 6? Because this is simple, na? Or you can do 94 minus 11 also. Anything will be fine. That is 83. Chakradhar, very good. It is 83. And you will have a separation. And what is 11 into 6? 66. Very good. Now your final answer will be 8,366. 8,366. So if you have any doubt in this concept, just raise your hand. I will come to you. So this multiplication is purely for the numbers nearer to the 100. This technique, this is a special case, okay? So if you don't have any doubt, just type yes in the, okay, no doubt. Zarina, is it clear now, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay, now if it is clear, now tell me the last answer. Zarina will tell it. 89 into 88. Tell me this answer. I will be waiting for your answer, and meanwhile remaining also should tell me the answer. And we will solve it together also. After this solving, we will go to the other multiplications in the same case. Yes, Vijay Lakshmi, very good. Yes, Anugnya, very good. Zarina, very good, Zarina. So like, should I solve it? If anyone have problem, just tell me or raise your hand. I will solve it. We will solve it together. Or else, if it is clear, type C in the chat box. If it is clear, type C in the chat box. Or else, we will solve this one more question and we will go to the next case. Clear, yes, clear, sir. Very good. Yeah, you are learning in a single shot then. Okay. Okay, now what we will do? Now we will see this, and now help me. We will do this last question and we will go to some cases in these numbers only. Okay. So now see 89 multiplied with 88. First, what you will do? You need to see how far is 89 from 100. Put in the chat box. 11. So you will have minus 11. And next 88. So how far is 88 from? It is 12. Yes, minus 12. Minus 12. Yes. Yes, very good, very good. Most of you have given your answers right. So next what you will do? So you will subtract these both or these both, which is favorable for you. What is that? 88 minus 11. What is 88 minus 11, Amma? Tell me in the chat box. 77. Very good. 77. Shahida, now you are right. Yes, cross subtraction, that is also good. Very good. 77. Now for the next step, what you will do, Amma? You will multiply 11 with 12. What is 11 into 12? Very good. 132. 11 into 12 is 132. Very good. You are very fast. Now what we need to do? Now we have a carryover case. Yes or no? Now we have a carryover case. So what you need to do is, you need to transfer this one to the left. You need to transfer one to the left and add this one to 77. What is 77 plus 1 is 78. Very good. And the leftover is 32. So 7832. Shabash. You're super, yaar. Very good. Now next what we will do? Zarina, where you missed, yaar? You are wrong. How is 6832? Just check it again. Tejasvi, now you gave your answer right. Okay. Zarina, did you get it now? Now you are right, Zarina. Very good, Amma. Okay, Chakradhar, Sharanya. Yes, okay. Okay, see, actually I was waiting for this case only. So actually, 107, 104, those numbers are also near to 100 only. You didn't ask me how to do that numbers. How to do that numbers? See, for example, we will solve one. For example, you have 102 multiplied with 103. 102 multiplied with 103. Yes, yes. Saisri have given her answer right. See now, 102 is 2x's from 100. That is 102 is 2x's. So plus 2. So 102 is 2x's. So you will write plus 2. Similarly, 103 is 3x's from 100. So you will write, what we will write? Just type plus 3 or plus 4. Sorry, plus 3 or minus 3. Plus 3. Yes, very good, very good. Plus 3. You will type plus 3. Yes. Now rest is same. Rest is same. You will do as before only. That is what you will do. Our first step is you need to do the cross addition here, because see, we have plus 3 and 102. Laliteshwar, what 4 amma? I didn't get you. See, 102 plus 3. What is 102 plus 3? 105. And then listen this part carefully. What is 2 into 3? What is 2 into 3? 6. Yes, 6. What is 2 into 3? It is 6. But for our base 100, we need 2 digits in the each set. For our base 100, we need 2 digits in the each set. So if we don't have 2 digits, then we put 06. Shahida, Sharanya, Shabash amma. Very good. So we will put 06. Now see, we have our case valid. So our final answer will be 10506. That is 10,506. 10506. Very good. If you got it, just type S in the chat box or just raise your hand. I will come to you. We will solve it together. We will see one more question. Okay, yes, okay. Most of you got it. And I can't see anyone raising their hands. I think I can go with practice then. Okay, we will practice some of these. Okay. Now see. Sujata, you didn't get it. Okay, you got it. Okay then. See now. See, tell me the first question then. Akshara, what is your doubt, Amma? You can just, okay, most of you have started giving answers. You just unmute yourself. Sir, should we not multiply the other numbers, sir? Which number, Amma? Just unmute yourself if possible.
Sir, why should not
What,
add 103 again plus 3, sir?
100? You can do that way also. See, 103 plus 2 is also 105 only, na? You can do both ways. Same. Okay. Yes. Yeah, most of you have given the right answer. 105. Sharanya have given the question. Which question answer you are giving? Okay. Okay, you give 108 into 108. See, 108 into 108 is 108 square. I schedule more than 100 squares also now. Okay, then 102 into 109. What is 102 into 109? Put your answers in the chat box. 102 into 109. 102 into 109. See. No, Vijay, you are wrong. Vijaya, just check it again. Chakradhar is right now. Yes, Vijay Lakshmi is right. Sharanya is giving you are way more faster than me. Okay, very good, Sharanya. Chakradhar, yes. Sandeep is very good. Sandeep. Shahida, very good. Tejasvi, very good. Anugnya, shabash, amma, shabash. So now tell me the next question also then. 110 into 102. Tell me the answer for this now. Yeah, Shahida given for next question. Shabash, very good. Okay, Laliteshwar, Zarina, very good, Amma, very good. Shahida given answer. Okay, very good. 104, 18, 10,418. Yes. Samhita, very good. Zarina, very good. Chakradhar, you gave answer for which question? You gave for the next question or what? Sharanya, you gave answer for which question? You gave answer for next question, right? 114 into 103, you are giving or what? No, just Sharanya, check that again. See, you have made a small mistake. I asked you 110 into 102. Okay, the answer for next question. Very good, very good, very good, Vijay, Sharanya. Okay, just check it. Okay. Shahida, Zarina, you are fast, yeah, very good. I hope you don't have any doubts in this part, and we have one more case for this also. See what you will do now. We will see the third case in this base method only. So what is that? What is that? Okay, Chakradhar. So you give me the last question also. So most of you have already given it. Yes, Samhita, very good, very good. Vijay Lakshmi, very good. Priyanka, Tejasvi, Vijaya, Shabash, Shahida, very good. Anudnya, Shabash, Laliteshwar, super, very good. Okay. Now what we will do now? Now what we will do? Suhanvi, very good. Now what we will do is we will go for the next step. That is the third case. So you can do for this also. So you have a homework. So for this, for the number with a bigger base, what you will do? Let's solve this question now. 998 into 996. We will solve this one and we will go for the next case. So number with the, so here what base you will take, which base you will take? Here the base is, put in the chat box, 1000. Very good, 1000. Here the base will be 1000 because the numbers are nearer to 1000 na. So we will have the base as 1000. So for the first number 998, what you will put? 998 is 2 less than to become 1000. So you put -2. Similarly for 996 you will put -4. -4. Yes. First step is completed. First step is completed. Now our second step. So what you will do in the second step? So you will do the cross subtraction over here, either this way or this way. So 996 minus 2 will be 994. And now the trickiest part comes. I want you to say this answer. 2 into 4 is 8. But what you will write here? 008. Because since the base is 1000, we need 3 digits at least in the each set. So since we have only one digit, we will try 008. So our final answer will be, give me the final answer in the chart, friends. So 994008. Just try this with your friends and just amaze them. Now just ask them and say them how fast can you do and give your answers. So now tell me this question then. If you have any doubt, just raise your hand with the bigger base, that is 1000, and just solve the first question and tell me the answer. So I can't see anyone raising your hands. I think it's clear for all of you. Super, Amma, very good. Yes, Sharanya have already given your answer. Very good. Tejas, it's clear. Very good. Nice. So 992 into 998. So yes, Chakradhar. Shahida, check it again. Chakradhar, now you gave it right. Let me check who is there. Okay. Samhita, very good. Zarina, so Zarina, check it. No, Zarina, just check it. Amma, see, 994 is not that. You did addition. You should not do 992. 992. You just check that one once again. Should I tell you this question? You just check it. If you got it, okay. Now you are right. Now you are right. Very good. Very good. See, Vijay, you are very fast, yeah. You went to the next question. Okay, now fine, fine. Yes, most of you are right, and we'll go to the next question then. So we will solve in less than 10 seconds. 994 into 993. Tell me this answer in less than 10 seconds if possible. Shahida have given it already. Then I need to put timer for you, yaar. You are very fast. Yes, Shahida, you are right. Rana, you are right. Very good. Anudnya, Shabash Amma, Zarina, super. Padmini, very good. Vijay, you went to next question already. Super, very good, very good. So chalo, time up. Next question. Triple nine into triple nine. Triple nine into triple nine. So anyone raising your hand or what? No. Very good. Super. So you are on track now. Very good. Triple nine into triple nine. Very good. Very good. Very good. In the same way, see, this is the question where we have the number more than base. Just tell me this answer. If you give it right, I will not discuss this part because you already have that with the 100 base. Now that's why. Let's try this answer. 1006 into 1005. Yes, Vijay. Vijay is very fast. Okay, similarly, you also need to answer remaining. I'm waiting for your answers. Next one, yes, Samhita, very good. Padmini, you gave answer for yes, you gave for 999. Tejasvi, you go for okay, 994 into 993, okay. Vijay, very good. Shahida, very good. Chakradhar, very good. Zarina, very good. Anudnya, very good. So I need not tell you this concept then. So it's clear for you, no? So now see, now we will do the next part then. 1012 into 1009. Tell me this answer then. Solve it in less than 30 seconds. I think you can solve it. You can, I know. Yes, Vijay, very good. Let me check answer. Yes. Rana, very good. Vijay, what you are doing? Vijaya, see, put it all together, no? Yes, Padmini, very good. Shahida, very good. Tejasvi, you give answer for your above question. Okay, fine, very good. Samhita, you are right. Shabash. Shahida gave the answer. Okay, yaar, Laliteshwar, Vijay Lakshmi, Anudnya, Chakradhar. Most of you have given the right answers. So now, see, now this is your challenge now. Do this question. See, in calculator also it won't fit. Here you will take base. How much you will take base? Tell me. What would be the base here? Here base will be
1 lakh, sir.
1 lakh,
1 lakh.
sir. Sir, 10,000, sir. 10,000,
See,
sir.
simply you can see how many numbers are over here. Just count and put that many zeros. That's it. That would be the base. Just I'm telling. 10,000. See, we have 5 zeros. Since we have 5 numbers, that is ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000 and lakhs. So 1 lakh is the base. Yes, yes. Now you are right. Most of you are giving right. So now, chalo, tell me this answer then. Tell me this answer. Tell me this answer slowly and carefully do it. Don't hurry and make mistakes. Don't hurry and make mistakes. Solve it carefully and give me the answer. Take your own time. Zarina, you are wrong. Just check it again. Yes, Shahida, Shabash, Amma, very good, super. Vijay, now you gave it right, very good. Zarina, no, Zarina, I'm waiting for your answer. Tejasvi, super, Amma, very good. Zarina, now you gave your answer, super, very good. Samhita, very good. Try this with your friends and ask them how fast they can do, just check it. Okay, Jagrav, very good. Vijay Lakshmi, super, Amma, Shabash, very good. Laliteshwar, super, very good. Chakradhar, super, very good. Suhanvi, very good, Amma. Most of you have given your answers right. Now we will go to the practice of these questions. Just we will see these 2 questions and we will go to the next part. Just tell me this first question. First question. Here the base is how much? Here the base is 10,000. Yes or no? Here what is the base? That 10,000, no? See, 9,996 into, yes. Yes, Vijay, you gave your answer. Very good, Amma. Did anyone raise your hand? No, then please speaking. Okay, let's carry on. Yes, most of you are giving right answers. Super, very good. Rana, just check your answer again. We gave for before one. No? Okay. You are right.
Sir,
Sir,
once
what's
explain.
explain? Okay, Sharanya, we will go. We will see that one. Okay, no problem. See, we will do it together. See now, what is our question? 9,996 multiplied with 9,994. 9,994. Very good. Most of you have given the answers already, but we will see one more time this concept because one of our friend have doubt. Na? See now, this number needs 4 digits to become 10,000. So we will have minus 4 over here. And for the next one, 9,994 needs 6 to become 10,000. So we will put minus 6 here. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. So now, next what you need to do? Next step is you need to do the cross subtraction here. That is either this way or this way. So now tell me 9,994 minus 4 is how much? 9,990. And you will have a separation over here and you will have 6 into 4. What is 6 into 4? 24. But since the base, what is the base here, Anugna, tell me? Yes, Chakradhar have given all the answers. Sharanya, okay, Sharanya, very good. 224. But here base is 10,000, na? So you need to have 4 digits, not 024, 0024. Yes, Anugna have given it right. Very good. Now Jagra also given it right. See, so now 0024. Okay. Now you need to put it all together. So that is 99990024. So your final answer will be this. So is it clear, Amma? Sharanya? Yes, now you have given the answer also. Very good. If it is clear, okay, fine. Most of you have given the answers for the next part also. So see, this is your homework. Do this one. This is your homework. Have a screenshot and same as yesterday, just send to me and I will correct you if you have any doubt. Okay, do it slowly and carefully and send it to me. Next one, see, this is the third case in the base multiplication. What is this? You have one number less than 100, you will have other number greater than 100. Okay, so for that what you need to do, listen this concept carefully because this is the important and bit tricky part you will get in the base multiplication. What you need to do, so for 94 is 4 less to become 100, so you will have minus 4, and similarly 107 is 7 more to become 200, so it is 7 digits more, so plus 7. So what is 7 into 4 is 28, 7 into 4 is 28, and minus into plus is minus. Minus into plus is minus. So you will have minus 28. Minus 28. So now next part is as usually you will either do addition of 96 with 7 or you will do subtraction of 4 from 107. That way you will have 103 and minus 27. So listen this part carefully. Since we have minus 27, we will subtract 1 from 3. What is 3 minus 1? It is 2, na? 2. So you will subtract 1 from 3 and you will do 100 minus 28. What is 100 minus 28? See, do all from 9 and last from 10, yaar. What is 100 minus 28? You are not doing, na? You forgot, you will forget. 70? 72, Shahida, you are wrong. 72, yes. 72, yes. So the final answer will be, so the final answer will be 10272, 10,272. Did you get this concept? If yes, type yes in the chat box, or else raise your hand, I will come to you. We will solve one more question, no problem. Just raise your hand, I will come to you. Okay, most of you have typed yes only. So Gopi Krishna didn't get it, or what? Explain one more question. Okay, we will see one more question, no problem. So now we will see the next question. See here, that is 98 into 102 into 102. So this is also same that we did it before. That is 98 to become 100. It is 2 less than 100, and 102 is 2 more than 100. Yes or no? Till here you understood now? Everyone got till here now? Okay. Now next what you need to do? You need to multiply 2 into 2. That is minus 2 into plus 2. That is minus 4. Minus 4. And you need to either add 98 plus 2 or subtract 102 minus 2. You can do anything. Anything is fine from this. Yes, most of you are giving your answers. Very good, very good. So 102 minus 2 will be 100. So now the next step is bit tricky. I want you just to observe this carefully. What you need to do is, you need to remove 1 from this, because you have minus 4. You are 4 less. So what you need to do? Remove 1 from 100. That is 100 minus 1. What is 100 minus 1? It is 99. 99. And transfer here, and you will subtract 100. Since you carry here 100 minus 4. And you do all from 9 and last from 10. It is 100 minus 04. That is 96. So your final answer will be 9,996. Most of you have already given your answers. So someone asked me to explain one more. Who is that? Is it clear, Amash, or should I go for one more question? No problem. We will see one more. This we have completed. Okay, Sharanya said yes. Samhita, Akshesh, Sai Sri, okay. Chakradhar clear, very good, Amma. Okay, I think someone asked me, okay, Sai Sri asked it. Okay, Sai Sri said it is clear. Fine then. Fine. If it is clear, Sai Sri, tell me this question now, 94 into 104. Do it slowly and tell me the right answer. No problem. I will wait for your answers. Rest of you also tell me the answer for 94 into 104. 104. Nikita, okay. Okay, I will tell you one more time. So we will do it one more time, no problem. See, if you have a number nearer to 100, how you should do the multiplication for the numbers nearer to 100. This is the special case of multiplication. We call it as base method. So for example, if you have number 94 into 104, what you need to do? First, 94 needs 6 to become 100. So you need minus 6. You press minus 6. You put minus 6. And 104 is 4 excess from 100. So you put plus 4. Chakradhar, very good. You have given your answer. Anugnya, very good. See now. Next part, what you need to do, you will have a separation over here. And here you see, you can either add 94 with plus 4 or do the subtraction for 104 minus 6. See, since this is easy, we will do this part only. That is 94 plus 4, which is 98. And next you will multiply this part, that is 6 into 4. That is minus 24, because minus 6 into plus 4 is minus 24. Yes or no? Yes. Yeah, you are not replying to me. Okay, yes. Okay, see now. Next, what you need to, since you have minus 24, na, this part is somewhat different from the above that we have learned, because since we have here minus 24, in order to remove this minus, we will carry or we will subtract 1 from 98, or 98 minus 1 is 97, and you will subtract 100 from 24, that is 100 minus 24. What is 100 minus 24? You do all from 9 and last from 10. You will have 70. What is 100 minus 24? I'm waiting for your answer. It is 76. Shahida, very good. 76. So put 76 here. Your final answer will be 9776. 9776. So is it clear now? Shall we go to the general subtraction method? Someone asked me this. Okay, Likita, is it clear, Amma, or should I go for one more example? Shaishri said yes. Likita, if you are there, okay, understood. Shabash, very good. Okay, Shahida, I have given all the answers also. So Likita, if it is clear, tell me the answer for 89 into 108. I'll be waiting for your answer, and rest of the most of you have already did this. Okay, you rest of also just tell me once again. Let me check how many of you have given. I didn't see that time. No, Zarina, very good. Sharanya, very good. Sharanya, you gave for which year? 190. Okay. Okay, now you are giving. Yes. 9, yes. Tejasvi, what happened here? Tejasvi gave it right, very good. Sri Anugnya, Shabash, very good. Hey, Chakradhar, you are making this printing machine, okay? Just put it once, now I will see it, it's fine, okay? Nikita, you didn't put it, no problem, just do it slowly and we will come to you. If you have any doubt, just tell me, we will see it one more time, no problem. Yes, Tejasvi have given all the answers. Chakradhar also given it, Shahida. Very good, very good. Very good, rest of you. Sharanya, very good. You gave for the next question, right? Yes. Very good, very good. Likita gave the answer. We are waiting for Likita, no? Yes. Likita, very good, Amma, very good. You got it right. Likita, Sri, you gave your answer for what? Just check it, Amma. 9792 is for which one? You gave the next answer, right? Did you solve 89 into 108? Yes, so no. Okay then, no problem. You got this concept and you said the next question, no? Okay then. Okay, no problem. We will go to the next part now. We will go to the next part. Okay. Now see, now we have this this part, and similarly we have for bigger bases also. We will do in the same method. See, just tell me only first question. We are running out of time. We should hurry. See, just tell me this 998 into 1002. Just tell this answer. 998 into 1002. Just do it and tell me the answer. Here the base is 1000. And after that we will go to regular subtractions. I am waiting for your answers. So let me go for regular subtractions. Okay, we go for standard subtraction technique. Yes, Shahida, Shabash, very good. Tejasvi, very good. Okay, now listen here carefully. We are into the regular subtractions. So now before we have solved the base method technique, that is
subtraction or multiplication.
Sorry, multiplication. I just okay. Thank you for correcting me, Amma. We are now going to standard multiplication technique. Okay, sorry. Now see, we will see general technique for multiplication. We completed subtraction topic now. Okay, see now, we have a sutra called Uddhatrayak. So in this sutra, Just we have three steps. This is one and second and third step. See, for example, he on the screen you have a question that is very good, Shahida. It is good to put it on the screen on your chat. That is very good habit. You won't forget the sutra next time. Yes, 87 into 36. 87 into 36. First, what you need to do, very good, Chakrada. First step, you need to multiply 8 into 3. 8 3s are 24. After that, you will have a separation. Okay, very good. Tejasvi, very good. Prashanti, very good. After that, you will do crisscross multiplication. That is 8 into 6. That is 48 plus 7 into 3. That is 21. And you will have a separation followed by the left one. That is 7 into 6. Sharanya, very good. 7 into 6 is 42. Now this way we have three different separations. So now after that what you will do, you will add the 48 plus 21, that is 69, and do the carry method. So if you do the carry method, you need to have how many digits? Only single digit in the each set. Okay, you need to have only single digit in the each set. So 69 plus 4 is 73, and if you transfer 7 to 24, 24 plus 7 is 31. So your final answer will be 3132. 3132. If you got it, just type S in the chat box, or else raise your hand, I will come to you. Very good, Amma. Most of you have got it. And none of you have raised your hand. I think it's clear now. Okay, Ram didn't get it or what? Okay, no problem. We will see one more question. See now, see this question 75 into 63. Do our standard Udgatrayak method that we have learned now, and I will also solve with you. Okay, 75 into 63. So first what you need to do, 7 into 6. 7 into 6. What is 7 into 6? Help me. Sai Sri, okay, Amma. See, we are doing this example 75 into 63. We have three steps to be followed for 2-digit into 2-digit multiplication. Okay, see now. 7 into 6. Okay, Pushpalata have already given the answer. 7 6 are 42. 7 6 are 42. Someone, okay, Yashashvi, if you have, okay, Amma, you can leave if you have another class, no problem. Just, we have some more topics, but no problem. You can leave if it is important. Huh? You can listen to the recording. 7 6 are 42. 7 6 are 42, and have a separation. Have a separation and followed by, okay, Amma, thank you. See now, next you will have a crisscross. That is 7 into 3. What is 7 into 3? 21. 7 into 3 is 21 plus 6 into 3. What is, sorry, 6 into 5. 6 5s are, yeah, help me. 30. 30, very good, 30. And after that you will have a separation, and then you do the last multiplication, that is 5 into 3. 5 3s are 15. Yes or no? Yes. Now finally you will have a carry method for the resultant number, that is 42, a separation with a 30 plus 21 is 51, and a separation followed by 15. Now we will do carry method, that is you need to have only one digit in the each set, that is this number 1 goes to 51, that is 1 plus 51 is 52, and 5 goes to here. 42 plus 5 is 47. Your final answer will be, Jagrav have given his answer, Zarina, Sharanya, most of you have given answer, very good. That is 4725. Did you get this, Amma, or should we go for one more example? We will go for one more example if you insist, or else we will go to solve this answer. Who have asked me? Sai Sri, did you get it? Or should I go for one more example? Very good, you gave the right answer. Okay, fine. And Ram, did you get it? You asked for the. Oh, you are giving your answers also for the next question. Yeah, you didn't reply to me. You got it. Okay, Zarina. Yes, very good. Okay, then do the next question. Most of you have already given. Tell me with this question. If Tejasvi has done it, Jagra have done it. Okay, very good. Yes, yes, Anugya, very good. Now tell me this last question, 69 into 36. 69 into 36. I'm waiting. Yes, Ram. Shahida done. Very good, Shahida. And yes, you are very fast. Zarina, very good. And do this question then, 27 into 72. 27 into 72. Yes, Rana gave your answer right. Did anyone raise your hand? Let me check it. No, okay then. Very good, very good. Most of you are right. Shabash, very good, very good. Sai Sri, you gave the answer for next question, right? 73 into 20, 33. 73 into 33 you gave or what? No. Sai Sri, you gave for before one. Now, okay, right, okay. Shahida, okay, give me the last question then. Most of you have given that one, okay. Last one, that is 73 into 33. Jagra, last one, no, yeah, just check it again. 73 into 33. Yes, now you Rana gave it right. Shahida, very good. Shahida, you gave, just check the last question carefully again. Last one, Padmini gave it right, very good. No, Padmini, you gave for the last one, no, yeah. Why you are making wrong with the last question? Should I say it? Yes, Sujata, just check it again. Small mistakes. Sai Sri, Zarina, Samhita. Okay, I will see this last question. We will do it together, na? Some of you have gave it wrong. No problem. We will see this once. 73 multiplied with 33. 73 multiplied with 33. So for 2-digit into 2-digit multiplication, we have 3 steps for the general way of multiplication, standard multiplication technique using Urdhva method. That is 7 into 3 is what? 21. 7 into 3 is what? 21. First step, have a separation, followed by do this cross multiplication. 7 3s are 21 plus 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. And the third step is 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. Okay, 3 3s are 9. Now you see your answer. You will do here, this is as whole, that is 21. Put it at one place, 30 and a 9. So 9 is clear, since we don't have 2 digits, it is clear. And 30 we have 2 digits, so we'll have a carry forward towards left, and 21 plus 3 is 24, and we are left with 0 and a 9. 2409. Most of you have given it right. Sai Sri, just check it again. You gave answer for which question? Sai Sri. Sharanya gave it right. Very good, Sharanya.
Sir, I gave answer for 59 into 36, sir.
Okay. 69 into 36. Okay. You got this one right. 73 into 33. Anugnya, very good. Zarina, very good. Very good, Amma. Now we will see, is it clear? 2-digit into 2-digit addition is clear now. We'll go for 3-digit. 3-digit addition. 3-digit addition. So actually from here we will have bit complex. So we will stop at 3-digit addition only. Okay. Generally for 3-digit addition, we have 5 steps. 5 steps. That is, first step, see, you can start either from this way also. So if you start from right, C, you will start from C into F, it will be the first step, and second will be single cross, that is B into F plus C into E. Very good. and then you can say it as a star, no problem. See, now you will do C into D, A into F, and B into E. You will add all those things, and next you are left with this cross, that is A into E
D.
plus B into D. Very good, very good. Okay, I should zoom it. I will go by question now, then it will be clear. See, A into D will be the last step. Okay, now see for the example. Now see, now I think you can see the screen. I will tell you, we will solve it slowly and carefully. See, first step is 1 into 2. What is 1 into 2?
3.
Help me, we will solve it together. 1 into 2 is 2. Have a separation followed by crisscross, that is 1 into 3 plus 2 into 0. So 2 into 0 is 0 and 1 into 3 is 3, that is 3 plus 0. And next you will do star, that is, see carefully here, 1 into 1 is 1 plus 2 into 2 is 4 plus 3 into 0 is 0. We completed 3 steps by now. Now we will have the 4th step, that is 0 into 1 is 0 plus 2 into 3 is 6, that is 0 plus 6 is 6. 0 plus 6 is 6. And next you will have the last step, that is 2 into 1, that is 2. So now if you write all these together, that is 2, a separation, 3 plus 1 is 3, a separation, 1 plus 4 plus 0 is 5, a separation, yes, 5, a separation, and a 6. And the last one is a 2. So now since we have only one digit in the each set, we can directly write it as a whole, that is 23,562. So did you get this part? If you got it, type S in the chat box, or else we will go for one more question, no problem. So 3 into 3 digit multiplication, and we will see the squares part. We have completed this multiplication part with this, no doubt. Very good, very good, very good. Now tell me then, if you have no doubt, tell me this then, 102 into 123, 102 into 123. Do this slowly and carefully, follow all the 5 steps and solve it. Take 1 minute, no problem. First it will take some time. When you get practiced with it, it will be flexible for you. Explain it again, okay? I will explain it again, Rana. See. Actually, what we will have for 3-digit multiplication, we have 6 steps. For 3-digit multiplication, we will have 6 steps. Lucky raised his hand. Okay. So, sorry, 5 steps. Okay, thank you for helping me, yaar. Okay, now, what you will do, first step is you will multiply 1 with 1. 1 into 1 is 1. And next, you will do a crisscross, that is 1 into 2 and 0 into 1. 1 into 2 is 2 plus 1 into 0 is 0. And next step you will do a big star. See now, that is 1 into 3. 1 into 3 is what? 3. And next, 2 into 1. What is 2 into 1? 2. Very good. Now next, 0 plus 2. 0 into 2. Sorry, 0 into 2 is 0. Yes, most of you have started giving answers. I will check your answers. Wait, let me complete it. Yes. Next, this cross you will do, that is 0 into 3 is 0 plus 2 into 2 is 4. 0 plus 4. 0 plus 4. Zarina, check your answer. I think you are wrong, Amma. Just check it again. Slowly you do, no problem, but check yourself. Did you do all the 5 steps? See, how many steps we did? 4. So we have the last step, that is 2 into 3. What is 2 into 3? 6. 2 into 3 is 6. Now we will write all together. That is 1 a separation, 2 plus 0 is 2 a separation, and 3 plus 2 plus 0 is 5 a separation, and 0 plus 4 is 4 a separation, and 0, and you are left with 6. Yes or no? Yes. So since we have only single digit in the each set, we will write the resultant number, that is 12,546. So is it clear now, Zarina? Now you gave your answer right. Shabash, very good. Shahida is giving the answers for the rest of the questions. Very good. Sama, is it clear, or should I go with one more example? Is it clear? Yes, fine then. Fine, very good. Rana, clear. So now do this next question. Most of you, I need to see your answers. 234 into 412. 234 into 412. Okay, Zarina, you gave your next answer. Okay, I thought you gave for this question only. Okay, I didn't get you. Shahida, very good. Chakradhar, very good. Very good. Sharanya, very good. Do the poll and tell me. Slowly you do, no problem. Okay. Shahida is giving the next answer also. Very good, Shahida. Ram, very good. Sujata, very good. Sai Sri, you didn't get it. Okay, we will see this one. No problem. We will see this one. See, you now first it will give you a bit confusion. Don't confuse. We will solve it slowly. You will make small mistakes. Okay, don't get confused. So now see, let me solve it together. Let's solve it together, this question, and we will go to squares at last. See now, first we have 5 steps. Basically we have 5 steps now. So what is our first step? 2 multiplied with 4. You will do this multiplication, that is 2 into 4 is 8. 2 into 4 is 8. And next you will do crisscross 1, that is 2 into 1 plus 4 into 3. 2 into 1 how much? 2 plus 4 into 3 how much? 4 3s are 12. Very good. Next you will do star, that is 2 into 2 is 4 plus 4 into 4 is 16 plus 3 into 1 is 3. We are completed with 3 steps. Now we will do one more crisscross this side, that is 3 into 2 is 6 plus 4 into 1 is 4. Yes. Now the last step, the 5th one is 4 into 2, which is 8. Okay, now what you need to do next? You need to put it all together. When we put it all together, what we will have? Okay, let me do it. We will do it now. See, 8 will be 8, and you will add 2 plus 12, that is 14, and next 4 plus 16 plus 3, that is 23, and 6 plus 4 is 10, and the remaining last is 8. So as per our condition or our rule, what we need to have in the each set, you need to have only single digit. So what you will do? You will transfer 1 over here. So 23 plus 1 is 24. So you are left with 4 here, and you will transfer 2 this side, and 14 plus 2 is 16. Leave 6 here and transfer 1 to this part. 8 plus 1 is 9. So if you write all together now, you will have your final answer as 96408. You left 8. We have 8 also now. See, 8. So 96,408. So did you get it, Sai Sri? Or should we go for one more problem for the last? No problem. You understood it.
I did 0, I did not understand.
Okay. Now you got it, na?
Yes, sir.
Fine, Amma, fine. Okay, very good, very good. Now solve this last question. Did you, most of you have given a guess. Let me check the chat. And we will go to the squares. We are done with multiplication syllabus. Now we will go to the squares and we will wind up for our course. So, yes, very good. Tejasvi, Sharanya, Shabash, very good. 512 into 112. 512 is 112. Yes. Tejasvi, Anugnya, Chakradhar, Zarina. Very good, yeah. You're pretty fast. Very good. Shabash, shabash, shabash. Very good. Okay, okay. So we are done with multiplication part. Now we will go for squares. Okay. Okay. Is it clear now? This multiplication part is clear now. If S, type S in the chat box. Now I will go to the squares. The leftover squares that we left yesterday from 80 to 100. Okay, fine, fine. Most of you have given your answers. Thank you, yeah. Thank you very much. So, chalo, now we will go for squares now. We are leaving this part. We are going to squares. So, where is our squares? Mission 100, yes. Now see. Actually, we done our squares till 80, yes or no? Till 80. How to do other digits? What other digits? What, Amma Chakradhar? Just unmute yourself and ask.
Sir, multiplication of other digits.
Other digits in the sense, example,
Like 4 digits.
4 digits you will have 7 steps, Amma. Just like this, you follow the same crisscross and the star method. Okay, I will put the same that picture in the group. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So how you did for 3 steps, you increase, na? The same way you need to proceed with the multiplication.
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay. Chakradhar, did I answer your question?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Amma. See now we are left with just this square, that is 80 to 99. So since we have already solved this, yes or no? How we did in the base method, na? So base method is the easiest method to get them. So for example, tell me now the square of 82 using the base method. So all these squares are nearer to 100. So tell me 82 square. 82 to be simple, very simple for you. Since both are less than 100 or less than 100. So 82 into 82. So Hanvi gave it right. Shahida, Shabash, Shabash. Most of you are right. Very good. All are right. Very good, very good. Give me the next 83 into 83 now. 83 into 83. Into 83. I'm waiting. Sohanvi gave it. No problem. Solve it slowly. Can you please explain how to do it? Okay, you came late. Actually, we did with base method. Now we will do in the same way. No problem. I will explain it. See, we will see 84 into 84. See, 84 into 84. First, we will take this as a base nearer to 100. So 84 is how much less than 100? 16. So you put minus 16 on the both places. Next, what you will do? What is 16 into 16? We learned this. We learned very early in our squares part. That is 256. 16 square is 256. And next you will subtract 84 from 16. 84 minus 16 will give you, I'm waiting for your answer. 84 minus 16 is how much? 68. And now you need to have only 2 digits in the each set. Since the base is 100, you will transfer 2 to this place. And 68 plus 2, what is 68 plus 2? 70. And leftover is 56. Yes or no? Yes. So the final answer will be 7056. Final answer will be 7056. Okay, did you get it? Who asked me? Let me ask the person. Yes. Samhita, did you get it, Amma? Samhita? Okay. Sri Vanilla asked it. Samhita got it. Okay. Someone raised the hand. Who raised the hand? Let me check it. Okay, you down the hand up. Okay, again. Okay, Likita, what is your doubt, Amma? Tell me. Okay, you
Sir,
write down.
by mistake.
Okay, no problem. Okay, then tell me the square of 86 then. You know 85 into 85, very simple, na? 86, tell me how to do 86 into 86. 86 into 86. Do it slowly, but give me the correct answer. Shahida, very good. Johanvi, very good. Ram, Shabash, very good. Now tell me 87 into 87 then. Chakradhar, very good. Priyanka, very good. Okay, I will explain it, no problem. See, we did in base method, na? Base method in our multiplication section. Same way we will do this. Let me solve 87 into 87. 87 multiplied with 87. So very simple. So first tell me 87 needs 13 more digits to become 100. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So now you will have 87 with 13 more digits. So you put minus 13 here. And next, what is 13 into 13?
169.
169. Shabash. And then here, this side, you will subtract 13 from 87. What is 87 minus 13?
74.
74. Since in the each set we need only 2 digits, we have 3 digits in this side. So you will transfer 1 digit over here and you will add it to 74. 75 plus 1 will give you 75. And the leftover will be 69. And your final answer will be 7569. Did you get it, Amma? Sai Sri?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Amma, very good. Then tell me the next answer for 88 into 88. 88 into 88. Anubhya is given the right answer. Very good, very good. Zarina, very good. Chakradhar, very good. Shahida, very good. Saisri, I'm waiting for your answer. Do it slowly, but tell me the right answer. 88 into 88. Very good. Oh, Ram did it. Just check it. Okay, you go for 89. Okay. 88 into 88. Shahida, very good. Sharanya, very good. Anagnya, very good. Vidita, very good. Sai Sri, Shabash, very good. Now you gave. Actually, I was waiting for your answer only. Okay, very good. Very good. All of you, Shabash, very good. Now tell me, in the same way we will do for 91 to 99 also. You know that? So now do 92 into 92 in the same way. 92 into 92. 92 into 92. Let's see who will do it. Oh yeah, you already given the answer. So 92 needs 8 digits to become 100. So minus 8 and minus 8. And 8 8s are 64. And 92 minus 8. What is 92 minus 8? It is, yeah, 92 minus 8, 84. Yes. Ram, just check it. You gave wrong answer. That's why I was surprised. If 84. So your answer will be 8464. Yes, most of you are right. Now give me 93 into 93. 93 into 93. I'm waiting for your answers. 8486. Very good, very good. Swanvi, very good. Tejasvi, Shabash, Shahida, very good. 93 into 93. You gave it right. Very good. Ram, very good. Priyanka, very good. Now do 97 into 97. 97 into 97. 90. Anugnya, very good. 97 into 97. Very good. Suhanvi, very good. Very good. Zarina, Shabash, Ram, Shabash. You are very fast, yes. Tejasvi, very good. Chakradhar, very good. Now tell me 98 into 98. 98 into 98. 98 into 98 will be very good, Suhanvi. Sai Sri, you gave which answer, yeah? Okay. Okay, do this one now. 98 into 98. Zarina, very good. Shahida, very good. Anudhya, very good. Shabash. Shabash. Sharanya, very good. Okay. Now we will solve the last question. 99 into 99. Solve this. All of you solve this question. Yes. Samhita, very good. Chakradhar, Shabash. Super. Very good. Who is this here? Aditi, what is this here? Aditi, just unmute yourself, Amma. Sorry, mute yourself. Okay. Shahida, very good. Okay, very good. Priyanka, most of you have, okay, all of you gave right answers. So with this we completed. Tell me the 100 square now. What is 100 into 100? What is 100 into 100? Yes, 10,000. Shabash. Very good. So with this we have completed our course. We have completed all the squares from 1 to 100. Now, so now, if you have any doubt, just raise your hand. I will come to you. And now, one small request from my side. So what you need to do now? I will give you assignment number 6. You just do that assignment. Okay, Amma, thank you. And after that, I will send you the final assignment of entire course for 6 days that we have learned, and followed by, you have one small request from my side, that is, you need to give me a video feedback of this course. So the video feedback should be as follows. That is, your name. First, in the video feedback, just give me your name, your standard, and tell me how this course been helpful for you. So actually this will help me to show your friends in the next batch, and that keep me motivated, and your friends also get motivated to join the course. Yes or no? Yes. So now, who will do the final assignment that I will send? After assignment 6, I will send the final assignment, and followed by the video feedback that I have asked you. For those persons, we will have the certificate of appreciation. We will have the certificate of appreciation from our side. Those who will do this last part, that is, you need to do your final assignment, that is the final test. Where should we send? You can send it to me personally. My number, you all know my number, na? You send it to me. I will put my number. You send it to me. Okay, Amma, thank you for you. See, most of you have my number. You send it to me. What you need to send, you need to make a video for not more than 2 minutes. If it is 2 minutes also, no problem. More than also, you need to first introduce yourself. Tell your name, your class, and your school if you need to mention, if you are interested to mention. And tell me, okay, Zarina, bye. Tell me how this course helped you. Okay, you give me this.
There should